So I'm going to ascend this ladder to the top of the lighthouse. Once I get up here a little ways, I like to grip the sides here just in case something goes wrong with this ladder. I can still hold on with my arms. Scream for help. Haven't had any problems yet. And here I am, king of the hill, or king of the lighthouse. All right, here I am on top of the lighthouse, obviously. I'm going to replace some components. I had bypassed and removed them because they had been destroyed by the salty air. A low voltage cutoff and a PWM. A PWM is a pulse width modulator. It's basically the modern equivalent of an old rheostat, and it's going to control the rotational speed of these beacons. So let's get to work. And again, this is all a custom job that I did a couple years ago. Put a rotating light on this lighthouse. I'm going to open up the weather resistant enclosure and grab the components here. It's a nice calm day for this. You don't want to be up here when it's fucking windy, for obvious reasons. Okay, low voltage cutoff and screwdriver and PWM. We're gonna do the PWM first and then the low voltage cutoff after that. So get that. My meter case, which is gonna shield the photo cell and make it think it's dark, so I don't have to wait and do this in the dark. And let's go through here. Photo cell. You got the output to the motor. Gonna disconnect the positive of the battery terminal. No electrocution up here. You just don't want to fry something if something grounds out to the metal frame of the lighthouse. Gonna take that off and get you. Okay. And solar panel. So we'll cut the power, avoiding any unwanted short circuits. And here we got the output to the rotational motor. Take the little wire nuts off. Let's see. And through there and through. Yeah. Want to take the positive of this, which, did I make it the ribbed one? Yeah. Take the positive here, connect it to the input of the PWM. It also is fuse protected. I twist these wires together and then grab Yeah, it'd be awesome if you landed up here.
Nope, there could be snakes under there.
Scary slithering striped snakes in the sand.
Fly over to this thing. Let's go. You gotta go higher. You gotta use that rudder. You gotta use your back rudder here.
That's cool. How long have you had that bird for? Ah, nice. Fire this thing up. Cover the photo cell. it's got to reverse. Yeah, I'm hoping it's calm at sunset for a change. I want to take the boat out.
Well, catch you later, Kevin.
All right, man. See you, Junior. All right, so I've connected the output from the battery, all that, to the rotation motor to this PWM. Covered up the photocell with my meter case to make it think it's nighttime. Let's connect up the positive battery terminal. Yeah. Give it a moment. Okay, and it's rotating full speed ahead, but I want to slow it down because lighthouses usually rotate quite a bit slower than this. So maybe more like that. You can do it really slow, but not. Thinking about like that. Seems more like that was before. That's way too fast. Get it to. I could even go a little slower. Yeah. That's more like it. Slowly rotate. So imagine at nighttime, it's going to cast a beam and rotate nice and slow like an actual real lighthouse. So that's, oh, got that good to go. So now, low voltage cutoff may or may not be necessary for this lithium battery because it has what's called a battery management system, but still, when the voltage gets below 12 volts, which is more the case in the wintertime when the days are short, it has less time for the solar panels to charge this thing up, and the nights are long. I want this thing to cut the power before the battery gets too low, because otherwise, even though this is a lithium battery, but still, you don't want to drain the battery all the way down to 0%, maybe 10 to 15%, just to prolong the lifespan of the battery. We got this working now, the low voltage cutoff. So, cut the power. And let's see here. You know what? I think this thing's been doing okay. I didn't bring the tiny screwdriver. We're just gonna do the PWM, which is the motor speed control for now. And then I'll come back some other time, put the low voltage cutoff in. So let's fire this back up. Give the photocell a second to kick in. And yeah, there you have it. Cover that up. Let's see, so about, yeah, let's put that right about there. Let's connect up the solar panel again. It's gonna go like that. Oh, what happened? Okay, what happened here? Oh, yeah, what did happen? Is there light on this panel? What's going on here? Gotta figure that out. Oh, this just came loose. So we need battery. Connect that up. Oh, what's going on here? All right, battery connection. There we go. Give it a moment to kick in. Should Relay should click and this should come on. Yeah. Well. Oh. Got a loose wire. That's not good. So. No. Alright, what the heck is going on here? Hey, yeah, working on this story. I'll talk more in a moment. I gotta pay attention here. Okay, how you doing, Lucas? Oh yeah. Oh, you guys got in here late last night, right? So you haven't been down. Oh man, what's going on? That's what happened. Should come on. I forget what's going on with this thing. Yeah, it looks like a few more guys. I didn't add them. I don't know who added them, but nice of them, whoever did. Yeah.
Really gotta clean that place up.
Yeah.
That was really fun to hang out.
Oh yeah.
Because it was like you could hide from the tourists or anybody that didn't know.
Yeah. No, it was an awesome idea. Yeah, we haven't done as much as that. Like everybody was saying, there hasn't been as much going on the beach this year. There we go. All right, so this is all good to go. I'm just narrating the video here. And tuck everything back in here. Yeah, just had a loose neutral wire. Rotating just fine. Put the photocell here. Obviously, the power's going to die now that photocell is exposed to the sunlight. Make sure everything's plugged in securely. Oh, that's all you got to do is solar panel power. Connect that up so it starts charging again. And that down in there, that in there. And tonight, we'll see this thing slowly rotating.